In this video, I would like to explain how to expand two brackets. The first question here, x plus 4 and x plus 2 multiplied. This is the first thing you need to know. When you have the two brackets sitting next to each other like this, it means times multiply. So to do this, I'll first start with the first thing on the first bracket. So it's x here. I'll multiply it here and there. So x times x is x squared, and then plus x times 2 is 2x. We finished with this x. Now I'll then start multiplying the 4. I'll multiply the 4 here and I'll multiply the 4 there. So 4 times x is 4x, and then 4 times 2 is 8, so it's 4x plus 8. Now, the next step is to combine like terms. The things that look alike, 2x and 4x, look like each other, so we combine them. So the x squared doesn't look like anything, so I'll leave it. X squared plus 2x plus 4x is 6x, and then we just write the 8. We finished. We expanded the bracket. Now, let's look at this one on the right side here. X plus 4, x minus 2. Now, we'll start by the x times x times negative 2. So, x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is minus 2x. We finished with the x. Now we do the 4. 4 times x and 4 times 2. 4 times x is just 4x, and 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Now, this is done. It's just combining like terms. Again, the minus 4, minus 2x, and plus 4x look alike. So this part here look like each other. So let's do first, write the x squared. So minus 2x plus 4x, this is just like minus 2 plus 4, so it's plus 2, and then x, and then minus 8. That's it for this question. Now, let's do this one here, x minus 4, or this is yours. You can write and comment your answer. I'll do the next one here. Now, it's similar, it's a little bit different, but we can do that. So 3x times 2x and 3x times 2. So 3x times 2x, the first thing you do, 3 times 2, which is 6, so it's 6x squared, because x times x. And then 3x times 2 is 6x. We finished with the 3x. Now let's do the 4. 4 times 2x and 4 times 2. Now 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 2 is 8. This is a nice question. Then combine like terms. 6x and 8x look alike, so the 6x squared stays. 6x plus 8x is 6 bananas plus 8 bananas, so it's 14 bananas, so it's 14x plus 8. How easy. Now, this is mostly everything. Now let's do this question here. Is yours. It's similar to one of the questions we did up there, so this is yours. Now I'll do 8 plus 5h squared. When they give you the question like this, it means 8 plus 5h times 8 plus 5h, and that's it. You now need to expand, so let's do it. So we'll start by the 8 times 8 and 8 times 5h. So 8 times 8 is 64, and then 8 times 5h, 8 times 5 is 40, so it's going to be 40h. And then we do the 5, so 5h times 8 and 5h times 5h. Now 5h times 8 is again 40h. 5h times 5h. 5 times 5 is 25, so it's 25. H times h is h squared, so it's 25h squared. Now we do combine like terms. 4h and 4h look alike, so it's just these two. Now 64, nothing look like that, so we just write it. Now 40 plus 40 is 80, so you would have 80h plus this nice 25h squared here. And that's it. How was it? Was it easy? Now the last question here is yours. Can you please try this and comment your answer? I'll give you a hint. You'll just make it like this. You'll make 3g plus 2 times 3g plus 2 and then expand these nice brackets. Thank you for following. Bye bye.